If you've been waiting for something exclusive, 132 units, beachfront. This is it.
This is not just a condo, it's a private beach club you happen to live in.
This is what mornings look like here. It's like being on vacation every day.
Except this one is yours. Club access, beach access. It's not an upgrade. It's already home.
I get it. It looks like a life you need to wait years for. But you don't.
Up to 30% off. Terms that actually flex. The only thing standing between you and mornings like this is deciding.
Only 132 families will ever call this home, and it's free selling now.
This isn't a getaway. It's home. And there's only room for 132.